Are you trying to get more vegetables into your body, but you just can't seem to get there, especially if you enjoy eating meat? Then you have to try this chili recipe that I'm about to show you, which is packed with vegetables. Plus, if you're staying away from beans because you don't like to play the trumpet and the saxophone at the same time, then this is the recipe for you. Let's begin by prepping the garlic. Now, I put 2 cloves in the recipe, but don't ever let a recipe tell you how much garlic to put in. You measure that with your heart. To chop garlic, I crush the skin off first with the flat side of my knife. My husband got me this bad mama knife for Christmas, so I'm trying it out on this garlic. I saw this trick in a video where you smush the garlic with the butt of the knife before chopping. It helps to break it down some, and it seems to work. Put the garlic aside for later. Next, we want to dice 3 large zucchini. Put that aside for later. We are also using 1 large sweet onion. Cut this into quarters because I forgot to show you here. Get about 3 to 4 medium-sized carrots, or 2 small handfuls of baby carrots, and 1 stalk of celery ready. Put all the veggies in your chopper and pulse about 8 times to break them down into small bits. If you don't have a chopper, just manually dice them all. Put 2 pounds of ground beef or ground turkey in a heavy pot over medium heat. I'm using my Dutch oven here. And break it up. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the chopped garlic and stir to combine. You want to cook this mixture for about 7 to 9 minutes, stirring frequently. Drain the meat and place it in a bowl for later. Drizzle 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in the same pan over medium heat and add the onion, carrot, and celery mixture. Give it a good stir. Add 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander or ground cumin, whatever blows your hair back, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, and an optional 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper that I did not include here. Stir all that to combine and cook about 5 minutes. Then you want to add your diced zucchini and cook for another 2 minutes, stirring frequently. Now add your cooked beef and 1 can of San Marzano peeled plum tomatoes. With your masher, mash up the tomatoes well. If you've seen my videos before, you know that I absolutely love San Marzano tomatoes. They will put this chili over the top. Trust me on this. They cost more than the store brand or the generic brand, but it's well worth it. If you have it in your budget to spend a little bit more for canned tomatoes, then I highly recommend these. Stir to combine and bring to boil on high heat. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat, cover the pot, and simmer it for 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. Sweet beans. This is delicious. This chili recipe is really thick, so if you want to thin it down, you can add 1 cup of liquid. That could be 1 cup of water, 1 cup of broth, or once this is empty, what you do is you could put 1 cup of water in the can and swirl it around to get all the tomatoey goodness, and then pour that in the chili recipe. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please subscribe before you go. If you want some great bread to go with this chili recipe, click the video on your screen right now. Ciao for now. Buddy, do you like Mommy's chili?
I want